Do mountains last forever? That's what we tried to figure out in our science experiment. So, we learned that mountains don't last forever, but the natural thing that does it is that when seeds and water get into cracks of the rocks, they as the water freezes or as the plant grows, the rock starts to split in half more. And as it splits in half, the crack starts to get bigger and bigger. We did another science experiment with abrasion. Abrasion is when a rock hits another and it cracks. So we did that with sugar cubes, a pickle jar, and some markers and a worksheet. So we colored. We had partners, and we colored the edges of the sugar cubes. Only two sugar cubes, and we put one colored sugar cube in a jar. And we have 5 sugar cubes, so we put one colored sugar cube in a jar and 3 plain ones, and then we had the other colored one out to see how it changed from the ones in the pickle jar. So we had to shake the jar 200 times at the end, but me and my partner, we switched off. There was a counter and a shaker. We shook the jar, and we shook the jar 40 times, and then we saw how it changed and how many colored edges were left. After we did it 200 times, we looked at how it changed from the sugar cube that was not shaken. They were almost balls compared to the one that wasn't shaken, and there was only 2 edges left with color. This was a lot of fun, and we learned how plants changed. We answered some questions, and we also colored how it looked before and how we thought it was going to look after. It did not look at all what I thought it was going to be after. I thought there was going to be a pile of sugar, but there wasn't. There was a little bit of sugar, but it was mostly balls.